How to turn off cross-site tracking on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. This area provides access to various settings, including search engine selection, autofill options, privacy features like preventing cross-site tracking, and content blockers. Keep scrolling down to the bottom until you find and turn on the toggle switch for Prevent Cross-Site Tracking under the Privacy and Security section. This allows websites to track your activity across different sites for purposes like advertising and analytics. Following these steps, you can easily turn off cross-site tracking on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.